Sahu, Assistant Teacher of the Government Upgraded High School, Barpada. Today I am going to teach the second chapter of the English book of class 9, that is the swimmer who does not need her leg. While you are going in the way, you see many things like vendors, sellers, handicapped people, shopkeepers, different peoples you have seen. Have you ever think about them? Have you ever think about them? What are they doing? Think about a child who was struck by polio. Think for a while a child about a child who was 14 years old who was struck by polio. Have you think that he can swim or she can swim? Whether her life or his life is easy like us. Let's read a story about a child who was 14 years old, that is C.N. Janaki, who was struck by polio, a infectious disease, but he successfully swam in the English Channel. Her crippled leg did not come in her way to become a successful and talented swimmer. Let's start and read the text, first part of the topic. Let's start about a real story about C.N. Janaki, a young girl of 19 who was struck by polio, was able to swim in English Channel. Her crippled legs did not stand in her way to become a talented swimmer. Imagine swimming across a pool with her feet dragging you down. You imagine while you are swimming in the river, your feet will be dragging down and down. Now imagine having the courage to swim across the English Channel. While the swimming in the river is difficult, so imagine having the courage to swim across the English Channel. What is English Channel? English Channel is a sea path which divides two countries like England and France. That is called English Channel. Across an English Channel in a similar fashion, सेही भली भाव तमे चिंता कर से पिलार साहस केते से इंग्लिश चैनल रे पहरिबा कथा भाबुची. अनबिलीवेबल इज नॉट इट? विश्वास करि परछ? इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग लेग्स मेड यूजलेस बाय पोलियो, C.N. Janaki has become the first handicapped person to be part of a successful team crossing the channel. In spite having legs made useless, her legs made useless by polio, still Janaki has become the first handicapped person in this world to be part of a successful team crossing the English Channel. It was in 1987 that Janaki was struck by polio. In which year she was struck by polio? In 1987. She was struck by polio. As a child, she got the idea of trying to swim in the English Channel. In our childhood, we have seen many dreams to become a doctor or to become an engineer. Like that, she also seen a dream to swim in the English Channel. So she conveyed this to the English Channel Swimming Association for details, to know details, and they replied that two conditions have to be met before swimmer is allowed to make an attempt. If a swimmer wants to make an attempt in English Channel, she or he has to fulfill two conditions. The first condition is the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. That means a swimmer will spend at least अति कम रे 10 hours continuously without stopping in water. Without stopping, he or she will spend 10 hours in a day. The second condition is the swimmer should be able to marathon swimming. That is, he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. The swimmer should be able to marathon swimming. That means in a long hour he has or she has to swim with a stretch without break. Then if a swimmer fulfill these two conditions, then he can attempt for the English Channel. Janaki began training very hard in Bangalore to fulfill these conditions. After almost 4 years of training, she said, I was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. So to fulfill her dream, Janaki began training very hard for 4 years. And she said, at last, after 4 years, she said, I was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. And NIS coach, Mr. Gopal Subramaniam, gave her a certificate saying that he had seen me swim for 10 hours continuously. Then with the help of the Timia National Academy of Adventure, she went to the coastal town of Malapa began training in the Arabian Sea. To fulfill the second condition, what did Janaki do? Janaki went to the coastal town of Malapa and began training in the Arabian Sea through the Timia National Academy of Adventure. She spent 3 weeks there with a coach called Dinesh Subramaniam. She learned to spend long hours in the sea by swimming a minimum of 20 kilometers a day. Janaki then returned to Bangalore and sent her certificates to the Channel Swimming Association in England. When they gave her the permission to make an attempt, when the swimming association saw the certificates of the Janaki, then they gave her the permission to make the attempt in the English Channel. She started to prepare to went to the England for his first attempt in the English Channel. She had to start. So how can he went to the England? After all, she was born in a poor family. So for her trip to England, she had to start collecting funds for the trip. She started collecting from the government, a few private agencies, and several friends contributed money she needed for the attempt. Whatever he needed money for this trip. The government, few private agencies, and several friends gave her. Janaki and her parents left for England in the middle of the 1992 when they reached Dover and began practicing in the English Channel. The Channel Swimming Association officials were quite shocked. This was the first time in their experience that a physically handicapped person was trying to swim in the English Channel. So, when they saw Janaki to swim in the English Channel, they astonished. They become astonished. How could a physically handicapped girl could swim in the English Channel? The next part we will teach the next day. Thank you.